I had to ask you the question, what do you think about when I say the words mind the gap? Well, the first thing you're probably going to be thinking of is the UK's underground railway system, right? Well, what if I said to you that the whole world is talking about another gap, and this gap is called the GEPG, or otherwise known as the gender pensions gap. So what is the gender pensions gap? Well, it's effectively the percentage difference in retirement or pensions income between male and females. So what are the contributing factors? Well, the gender pay gap equals the gender pension gap. Now, why is that really important? Because effectively in South Africa, on average, women earn about 18% less than men, which effectively means that they have less to contribute towards the retirement fund. And if you're looking at what the World Health Organization is saying in terms of just the mortality of females, effectively women are living longer than men by 6 to 8 years, which arguably means that they're going to need more money in order to invest in their retirement funds than less money. Well, yes it is. If you look at a study completed by Dr. Leanne Steenkamp at the University of Stellenbosch, she has indicated in her recent studies that the Western world has a gender pensions gap of between 10 and 20%. However, South Africa is leading the charge at 26%. Now, this is not a gap that we would obviously like to keep at such a high percentage. So South Africa has a little bit longer to go in terms of trying to reach a resolution at decreasing that gender pensions gap. Well, let's look at the statistics. Looking at our South African households at the moment, 42% of the households are female-headed. 60% of our households have absent fathers. And of those female-led households, 48% of the females have indicated that they currently don't believe that they are saving enough towards their retirement. Well, there are a few things that you can do. Firstly, 1, seek financial advice. The more educated you are, the better. 2, start early. The earlier you start, the bigger your nest egg. 3, you want to try and increase those retirement fund monthly contributions, as and when you can. 4, remember that there are tax-free savings. Try to use them as efficiently as possible. And 5, try to inform yourself about your financial literacy. The more information you have, the better. So investment managers like Prowess and others are here to create awareness through financial education and also to provide affordable products that will help you meet your financial and retirement goals.